Hello everyone, welcome back. In the previous video, we have found the electric field due to a charged conductor of infinite length. Okay. Now in this video, we'll finding electric potential. Okay. Due to charged conductor. Okay, of infinite length. Right. So since potential is what? It is actually you cannot find a potential at certain point. You need to tell a potential at a certain point with respect to other point, or you can say the reference point. Okay, so we can only find the potential difference. We cannot find the absolute potential at any point. Okay, in I think in earlier videos I have also told you the definition. In the definition of potential, we have taken the reference point as infinite. Okay, so we cannot find the absolute potential at any point. Okay, we need to take a reference point. So we'll do this. Suppose this is a rod. Okay, let's say having charge here of density, linear charge density, you can say lambda. Okay, now we are interested in finding, suppose this is a point A. Okay, and this is point B. It is a distance RA, and this is at a distance RB, say. Okay, now we already know the electric field at this point will be 2k lambda by r. Okay, at a distance, at any distance, at a distance r. Okay, now we know that relation between electric field and electric potential as VA minus VB. Potential difference, it will be minus E dot dr. Okay, and r will be varying from RB to RA. This is a relation. Okay, RA. So we just need to put the value of E. Okay, since E is dependent on what? Smaller at a distance, means the distance from the rod. Okay, so this will be 2k lambda by r dr from RB to RA. Okay, minus. On solving this, we will get what? Minus 2k lambda. Okay, dr by r, it will be ln of r from RA to RB. On solving this, we'll get 2k lambda log of, or you can say ln of, okay, what we'll get? We'll get, I think, RB upon RA. Okay, sorry, this one is log. Okay, okay. How we have reversed this direction? Okay, sorry, this limit is actually wrong. I think the we are moving from RB to RA, na? So this limit will be RA to RA. Okay. So this is what it is, potential difference. Okay, between point A and B. Okay, we can only find the potential difference, rather we cannot find the absolute potential. Okay, thank you.